Same thing. If I push to the right, that bike starts to tilt to the right. Super simple. That's what's gonna happen at road speeds, okay? You wanna go left, counter steering says push left. You wanna go right, push right. Here's what you're not gonna do. When you're riding a motorcycle, if you wanna go right and you try to turn that handlebar right, you're gonna go left. That's why it's called counter steering. Because if I'm riding and I try to turn my motorcycle like this to the right, what's gonna happen is when I'm trying to turn to go to the right, the bike's gonna go to the left. But notice what's happening when I try to turn to the right. When I try to turn to the right, this hand is pushing the left, okay? So that is why it's called counter steering.